Okay. Which holiday is it today? Is it Easter or Christmas today?
Easter.
It is Easter.
Pink.
Huh?
Santa.
What?
Santa.
Dada?
No, Santa.
What?
Santa.
No.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go find some eggs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go. You have a basket? Okay, let's go.
Are you okay? What about you?
You guys coming?
Let's
go.
Let's
It's
go.
okay. No, take your
Alina,
basket.
take
Take your basket. Wait, Daniel, wait
Can
for
I look for
Alina.
eggs too?
Wait for Alina. Alina, come.
Oh, I'll get out the picture.
It's okay. Okay, let's go find some eggs. You see some eggs?
I'm coming too. Yeah. I just don't.
You
want to
see
be
him?
in the video.
Mom, how did my Easter bunny coming in my house?
Easter Bunny came to your house.
What?
Wow.
Last night.
Go put them in your basket, Alina. Go, 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 go.
Oh, wow.
How many can you find?
2.
Where else?
Oh boy, good job, Daniel. Oh, there's one.
Ah.
Yeah.
Where
Good
else?
job. Oh, no.
Oh, there!
You found more?
Alina, look at there. See there?
What? Wait.
Oh, there.
Oh, I find more with you. Yeah, I found green. I found my bag.
Yeah. Wow.
My pink one.
Your
oh,
pink
there's
one?
four.
Wow.
Hey, I did this four.
I'll get it, Alina. Go look more. Go look.
Alina.
Go look more. Here, there's the pink one.
Alina.
You're welcome.
Here, I got yours.
How many you got? Wow.
Get them both there.
What? Oh, there,
Alina.
they're mine.
Okay, they'll find them.
Does she get the look on her face when she's running to us? Alina. Her tongue out. And...
What?
Over here.
The chairs. Look at the chairs.
Yes.
Danny, can you let Alina go there too?
I don't see them. How I eat you come in my house?
Yeah.
Pig one. I love the pig one. Thank you.
Alina, come here. Do you want to check the refrigerator? Холодильник? No, on the other side. Open.
Basketball.
A basketball.
Ooh.
He gives her the purple and pink ones and he keeps the rest.
Hey, I play.
You found more?
Wow, he's going to have those. 100
Alina,
eggs pretty soon.
do you want to go check the kitchen?
Oh, go. Come on, Alina. Good job.
I don't see it. Yes.
You have to share, Danny. Alina, you share. Oh, I mean, Danny, you share.
No. Hey, basketball. Oh, yeah.
Can you close the kitchen, please?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'll hold you basketball. Yeah.
Good sharing, Alina. We got them all.
Hey, there.
Wow, what you got?
I know what doing.
Umizumi.
Yes, wait, open there.
Yeah, you can open them.
I know open.
You can't open. You need help?
You open mine. Whoa, Conchita!
Конфета, candy.
Wow.
Kenny.
Alina.
Is this what children do in Russia also?
No.
Open this.
Open
Open
it.
this. Open this. How did he come and buy in my house? No.
He came to your
I'll
house?
buy
Well, how does Santa come to your house?
Open my house.
How does he come? How does he get inside? Do you know? No, it's magic.
How buy go inside? No,
Yeah.
my house. Take them again. I need you. I need to again. Take them again. Nothing again. Again. Mom, do
Huh?
you? I
Yeah,
got it.
yeah.
I gotta go there.
The guy
Go.
I used to work with from Intech that had the back injury that had the corgi. So
You found more?
Travis? No.
maybe he went on our boat once or something.
No, I haven't
Tall
seen
blonde guy.
it. I haven't seen this. One time.
What are you looking for, Danny? Eggs? More eggs? You have a lot. How many you have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3?
Who open me?
Who will open for you?
Yeah.
Do you want me to unwrap it?
No.
No?
I put my boot.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of candy for you. I got it already, Alina. I got that one.
Mom, where's mine?
Hmm.
Mom, Dad, do
You found another one?
Yeah. You get it? You get it?
I'll get it.
Wait.
No, that's a bowl, Alina.
Yeah.
It's just a bowl. It's not an egg.
Huh? Wait, no, egg.
That's it. Do you want to open these?
Mom, that was
Is he married or
yours.
was he lived?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, that was yours. I found yours.
Where were they living? Near his father's place?
Danny, look.
In the Red Wing?
You can twist and it comes up
Oh, but let's
and then
see.
down. You see? They're cool. Here. You see? Can go up. Nope, you have to twist it. Turn. Nope, the bottom one. See? So you can color now. Now let it go down or you'll break it. Put it back in. Uh-huh. The other way. Yeah? Good job. But
Where we meet? See where?
These kids will be the most photographed, videotaped kids in Hastings by the time we're done.
probably. She's looking for more eggs. Checking the kitchen twice. No more eggs?
No.
Did you get them all?
Where you go?
Okay, guys, can you come here? Danny, Alina. Danny, Alina, come. Okay, wait. Stay here. Right here. Right here. Alina, can you stay here? Danny, can you come closer?
Sit down.
Sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Please.
Up.
Please.
No.
Alina, can you stand up? Okay. And stay here. Danny. Can you say Happy Easter? Can you look here? You say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Okay.
Oh,
Bye.
Bye.